are back.
Happy Black History Month to everyone.
When is Black History Month?
February.
So the Valentine is different, and then the February too is Black History Month.
The whole February is Black History Month.
In America?
Yeah.
Okay.
Everywhere. Internationally.
Yeah, I said that. Maybe it's for only America, but I don't know Black History Month.
Yes, black people fought for the, like, to be honest.
In America.
So, yes, it's Black History Month.
Okay. Happy Black History Month.
And Valentine's Day is just...
Happy Valentine's
I don't know why they...
Happy Valentine's Day.
Yes, happy Valentine's Day to all the couples.
Right.
And the single people still celebrate your singleness, even though this video is coming out after Valentine's Day. Still celebrate yourself. Love you. Okay, so today we're gonna try these snacks. Two of my students, they happen to be twin girls. They went to Vietnam. And they bought me back a present, so I wanted us to try it. To see
let me see.
Yes.
This one is cashew nut.
Yeah, it's from Vietnam though.
Okay, so because of it, Vietnam, because the cashew nut is from Vietnam.
Natural cashew nuts. I just want to see if it will taste different. I don't know. And they got
Which I like roasted, like smoked one. It's nice.
Yeah. Like roasted, smoky cashew. There's like a buttery taste to it.
Cashew nut from Vietnam.
Now look at you now.
No size.
Right. I think you're supposed to peel this off, but I'm eating all of it. Not bad. I'm stuck. I mean, I eat cashews. I would say this has more of a flavor.
Yeah.
Most times I eat cashews, they're very plain, no flavor. And Donna, do y'all celebrate Valentine's Day?
Hey, who doesn't celebrate Valentine? Everybody celebrates Valentine, but we don't celebrate Black History.
Are you sure it's a time to remember black people, what they did around the world?
Yeah? Celebrate Black History apart from America. Val's Day, everybody celebrates Val's Day. Yeah.
Valentine's Day.
Val's Day, Valentine is the same.
Val's Day?
Val's Day is the short distance of Valentine.
I've never heard of it.
Happy Val's Day.
Is it V-A-L?
Yeah, the Valentine and V-A-L. Is that apostrophe S?
Yeah, but that's at the end of the word, Valentine's Day.
And I said that is the shortcut of Valentine. Happy Val's Day.
I never heard it that way. Who has ever heard someone say Happy Val's Day? That must be something in Ghana. I've never heard someone say that. I'm not saying you're wrong. Who says that? Happy Val's Day. I've never heard someone say that. Just like you said the word PlumBer.
So how do you say it?
These are the discussions we have. The other day we were talking.
It's nice,
look at it. The other day we were talking, and I forgot what we were talking about. My husband was like, PlumBer. It's for plumber. We say, Americans say plumber. He said PlumBer.
Look, what's the spelling?
Plumber.
So where is the B?
It's silent.
Silent.
Let's see if baby likes it. She usually likes nuts. So should I break it?
Stop.
this way. Excuse her shirt. She just spit that whole plum milk. I'm gonna change her. Ooh, I think baby approves. She wants more. Thumbs up from her.
PlumBer. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Okay.
Come.
Yeah, she wants more.
Do you have this thing in your country? When you come to your father's side, you have it a lot. It's everywhere. By your mother's side and there.
We do. It's just plain. I've only had plain cashews. We have cashews. We have nuts.
You have cashew, but it doesn't grow there. You guys export it.
Somebody said we grew it.
That is what I'm talking about. I'm not saying you don't have it there. The only cashew that you see is package one in Walmart or whatever.
What you know about Walmart?
I don't know. I don't know supermarket or PlumBer. I'm talking about.
That's all for this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Let us know in the comment, is it plumber or PlumBer? Which one is it? All right, have a good night, have a good weekend, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.